Hi, today in front of me iPad Pro 2017 and I'll show you how to edit Control Center on this device. So first let's open the Control Center and we can see here four different options. If you want to add here some options or remove some of them just to change their positions, we should open first Settings application and then tap to Control Center. Just to add to Control Center a couple of new icons, we should click here on this pluses near the options. Just if you want to change their positions, we should hold and drag it to the up or to the down these panels. Just to remove some of them, we should click here to this minus and confirm my action by click here to remove. So now we can see here the changes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.